Every jar begins with premium peanuts. Shipments are inspected and cleaned under strict quality standards before entering production, where precision.
Before processing begins, every peanut passes through an advanced cleaning and sorting system. Automated machines remove dust.
After careful cleaning and inspection, the selected peanuts enter a precision-controlled roasting system. Every batch is roasted at the 𝐼𝐸 natural aroma. Once roasting is complete, the peanuts pass through an advanced blanching system where their thin outer skins are carefully removed. Precision automation and
The roasted peanuts are now transformed. Inside powerful industrial grinders, precision engineering creates a smooth, creamy peanut paste. Every stage is.
The freshly ground peanut paste now enters the blending stage, where carefully measured ingredients are added. Advanced mixing technology creates the smooth, creamy texture and balanced flavor.
Before packaging begins, every batch of peanut butter undergoes rigorous quality testing. Advanced laboratory technology carefully checks texture, consistency, flavor, and
With quality confirmed, the finished peanut butter moves to the automated filling line. Precision-controlled machines fill every jar with the exact amount of product, ensuring perfect consistency. Each filled jar now enters the sealing stage, where automated systems apply tamper-evident protection and securely fasten every lid. Advanced inspection technology.
After sealing, each jar receives its product label and unique production information. Automated labeling and coding systems ensure every jar. Before final packaging, every jar passes through an advanced quality control system. Intelligent cameras, precision weight sensors, and automated inspection technology verify every detail.
After passing every quality inspection, the finished jars move to the fully automated packaging line. Intelligent robotic systems Once the cartons are packed, advanced logistics technology tracks every shipment, preparing them for delivery across the country and around the world. After completing its journey through advanced manufacturing and global distribution, every jar of peanut butter finally reaches supermarket shelves. The jar is prepared to deliver.
From carefully selected peanuts, every jar follows an extraordinary journey. Thank you for joining Prime Foundry. Subscribe for more premium documentaries.